The electric bike for Adults Q20 has emerged as a formidable contender in the rapidly expanding world of electric bicycles. With its impressive specifications of a 2000/1500W motor, top speeds of 37/30MPH, and robust battery options of 52V 40AH and 48V 20AH, this e-bike promises both power and versatility. As a recent user, I'm excited to share my experiences with this bike, breaking down its performance, design, comfort, and overall value. Performance. The first thing that struck me about the Q20 was its raw power. Whether commuting through city streets or tackling hilly terrain, the 2000W motor provides an exhilarating ride. The acceleration is smooth, and it responds immediately to throttle inputs, allowing me to reach the top speed of 37 miles per hour in no time. For those who prefer a more leisurely ride, there's an option to limit the speed to 30 miles per hour, a feature that can be particularly useful in urban environments or crowded areas. The battery options offer impressive range capabilities. With the 52V 40AH battery, I've managed to achieve distances between 30 to 180 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions, speed, and assistance levels. The flexibility to switch to a 48V 20AH battery makes this bike even more appealing, as it allows for customization based on your specific needs and riding style. During my testing, I found that I could comfortably commute daily without worrying about running out of juice. Design and build quality. The Q20 carries a robust and durable build that can withstand the rigors of daily commuting and recreational riding. The frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, which not only contributes to its sturdiness but also keeps the bike relatively lightweight. This is a crucial factor when considering the overall riding experience, especially when navigating tight spaces or lifting the bike onto a rack. Aesthetically, the bike sports a modern design that appeals to a wide range of riders. The sleek lines, combined with a minimalist approach to accessories, make it visually appealing without feeling overdone. It features adjustable front suspension that enhances ride quality, absorbing shocks from uneven surfaces effectively. The 26-inch tires provide excellent grip and stability, helping to instill confidence even when cornering at higher speeds. Comfort. Comfort is essential for any e-bike, especially those intended for long rides. The Q20 excels in this department with its ergonomic seat design, which provides ample cushioning while maintaining a comfortable riding position. The adjustable handlebars allow riders to find their perfect fit, reducing strain on the back and wrists during extended commutes. Additionally, the bike is equipped with a smart LCD display that provides real-time information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled. This feature is particularly useful for monitoring performance and ensuring that you're always aware of the battery status, especially on longer rides. Braking and safety. Safety is paramount, and the Q20 is outfitted with hydraulic disc brakes that offer superb stopping power. The responsiveness of the brakes gives riders confidence, particularly when navigating downhill or in busy traffic. Coupled with reflective elements on the bike, I feel secure knowing that I'm visible to other road users, even in low-light conditions. Value for money. In terms of pricing, the Q20 offers a fantastic balance between quality and affordability. Compared to other electric bikes on the market with similar specifications, it stands out as a competitively priced option. When considering the performance, range, and build quality, it's clear that this bike provides excellent value for money. Conclusion. In conclusion, the electric bike for Adults Q20 is an impressive machine that caters to a variety of riding needs. Its powerful motor, extensive range capabilities, and thoughtful design make it ideal for both casual riders and those looking for a functional commuting option. While there are minor considerations, such as the weight of the bike when assembling or transporting, the positives far outweigh any drawbacks. Whether you're seeking an efficient mode of transportation or an adventurous